Hi, this is Dave with B&T Telecom. In this video, I'll give you a quick look around your user account in our web portal. Using the credentials document we've provided you, you'll navigate to the provided address and enter your credentials. Make sure that the browser shows you the site is secure by checking for the padlock in the address bar before logging in. Your browser should alert you if there is an issue. If that is the case, don't log in and please send us a support ticket at support@sip2020.com. After logging in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. Displayed here will be any voicemails you have, any missed calls, and your recent calls. The first thing you'll want to do after logging in for the first time is change your password. To do that, you can either click on your username at the top right of the screen, over here, or you can go to the home menu and select account settings. Once in account settings, you can create a new password following the guidelines in your documentation. The language option here will allow you to change the display of the website, and you can set your time zone. Generally, we'll set the time zone for you in the back end, so you don't need to adjust it here. If you change either of these two options, you will need to log out and then log back in to see the changes. Leave the status set to available. Navigate back to the dashboard to check out your voicemails. You will need to click on the line itself to bring up your voicemail box. You have the option here to listen to your messages online by clicking the play button. You can download them by clicking the cloud download button, or you can delete them by clicking this little X over here on the right. The toggle button will toggle whether the message has been heard or not. Select the box on the left and then push toggle, and that will change it from being bold to being not bold. This indicates that the message has been read. You can click the box at the top to select all of them and flip all the boxes over again. You can manage your voicemail greetings by selecting the greetings button. Similarly, you can listen to your greetings and download them. Using the options at the top right, you can upload a customized greeting instead of using a recorded one in the phone system. Copyrighted material is prohibited for being used in this system, so please do not include any in any of your greetings. Use the radio buttons at the left to select your greeting that you want your callers to hear. Click the pencil on the right to edit the name and add a description, something that will help you remember months down the line what greeting 2 actually is. And similarly, you can click the X's on the right to delete. To see your call history, select Apps from the menu and choose Call Detail Records, or CDR for short. This will bring up all calls answered, made, or missed for the past 90 days. It gives you all the basic information like caller ID name if it's registered, their number, when the call was made, how long it took to answer, which is what TTA stands for, how long the call lasted, and the status of the call, whether it went to voicemail, if it was answered, if the call failed for some reason, or if it was canceled. From the screen, you can click a number and your phone will dial that number. The statistics button will break down your calls by hour for the past 24 hours, so it takes a little bit of time to process depending on the volume of the calls that you handle. The call routing and follow me menu options lead to the same place, call routing. Here you can change where calls to your phone go. Select your extension to see and change these options. There are two ways to forward a call. You can use the call forward option, which is just this top option, and then enter your cell phone or any other number that you're desiring to forward the calls to, or you can use the follow me option. If you forward a call outside of the phone system, that call will not be recoverable. So if a client reaches your personal cell voicemail, they may end up confused. The better option is to use follow me. It has a few more bells and whistles, but using this option correctly will ensure that calls stay within your phone system. To forward calls to your cell, but don't want callers to potentially wind up in your personal voicemail, enter your cell phone number into the destination and set the timeout to 20 seconds. Then, select Confirm from the prompt box. Upon answering a call in this manner, you will be given 3 options. Press 1 to connect the call, 2 to dismiss the call, 3 to send the call to voicemail. This way, if you didn't get to the phone in time, or if your phone happens to be off or not currently in service area, your cell phone voicemail won't pick up the call. If you would like to see the business number instead of the phone number of whoever it is that's calling you, change the caller ID number down here in this drop-down box to whatever your main number is for the business. These particular settings can also be changed through the phone system itself. To set a call forward, you're going to dial *72 and then follow the prompts. And to disable call forward is *73. To access the Follow Me system, you're going to dial *21. To add contacts, select Apps from the menu and choose Contacts. To add a single contact, you are going to select the plus button on the right. Fill in the required information. Here I'm going to put B&T Telecom. Saving that will bring up another window where you can add additional information like phone numbers, addresses, emails, URLs. You can make some notes, and you can also set some times in here by using the timer option here. If you click Start and you click the actual user here, it'll add times that you can actually track to if you've contacted them for whatever reason. And then if you stop it and then click this button again, it'll add the duration of the call. You can add phone numbers. And if you happen to mess it up, you can click the pencil to edit it. Just like in the CDR, you can click on the number here to dial, or you can click on the call button over here to also have the call sent to your phone. Clicking CDR will bring up all the instances where that number has called in. This has been a quick look around the user web portal for B&T Telecom. Thank you and have a great day.